Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos on biomolecules. In this video we have started with enzymes, and this video will be talking about the modes of enzyme action. We'll be talking about the two modes, lock and key hypothesis and induced fit mechanism. Please watch the video till the end, because by the end of the video you will get all the important pointers for both the modes of mechanism on the board, which you can use for your notes. So without wasting we'll start time. We'll start mode of enzyme action. Now there are two modes of enzyme action which have been given by two different scientists, or two theories have been given. So the first one is lock and key hypothesis, and the second one is induced fit mechanism. Now, lock and key hypothesis or mechanism and induced fit hypothesis. Lock and key was given by Fischer and induced fit was given by Koshland. Fine, they were the ones to give these mechanisms. We'll talk about them one by one. First of all, lock and key. The name suggests there is only one key for one lock. So the mechanism is such that there are specific enzymes for specific substrates. Enzymes are very specific. There will be specific enzymes for a specific reaction. You cannot use any enzyme for any reaction. So enzymes are very specific. So I'll write a few pointers first. I'll write a few important pointers related to this mechanism first. First is that herein enzymes are very specific for different reactions, or you can say different enzymes for different reactions. Enzymes, according to this lock and key hypothesis, has one, or you can say has active sites for attachment of substrate. Fine. So they have certain sites present on them wherein specific substrate, the sites are for specific substrates, they can only get attached to it. Uske alawa any other substrate is there, they will not get attached. So I'll just make a diagram and then I'll start explaining. First of all, suppose this is an enzyme. And we have substrates here. Suppose this is one, this is another substrate, this is another substrate, we have one again here. So what will happen? There are multiple substrate molecules, but the ones which are specific for it are going to get attached here. So what will happen now? Enzyme and these specific substrates which are only here will get attached, and the ones which are not legible or which are not specific, they will not get attached. So this is how only specific molecules they get attached. As and when the substrates they get attached, a bond is formed between them. And as soon as the bond is formed, the enzyme will separate out, and the substrates with the bond will remain to form the product. The substrate, थोड़ा सा shape ऐसे ही हो गया. The substrate with the bond will be their product. Fine. So what I mean to say is this lock and key hypothesis states that the enzyme binds with specific substrates at the active sites, and then a bond is formed between the substrate, and the substrates detach as products as and when the bond is formed. So this is what is explained by lock and key hypothesis. I'll be using this space, तो मैं इसको diagram को I'll make it here please for your reference बाद में. Here, and there is a bond between them. Fine, so I'll use this. Okay, so now our next mechanism, induced fit mechanism given by Koshland. I'll make a demarcating line. Now what does this mechanism say? It is different from lock and key hypothesis. I'll write the pointers and then I'll draw the diagram and explain. First of all, in induced fit mechanism, or I'll draw the diagram first and then explain. First of all, there are two sites, very, very important. Here we had only one active site, or you can say one type of active site. Here we have two type of active sites, and those two types are catalytic site and buttressing site. Catalytic site, very important, and buttressing site. These two are very, very important. What do they do? Catalytic site is responsible for breaking and making, or you can say breaking of old bonds and making of new bonds, whereas buttressing site is responsible for the attachment of the substrate. Attachment of substrate. That means buttressing का काम catalytic नहीं करेगा, catalytic का काम buttressing नहीं करेगा. Catalytic site is the one which is responsible for bond formation and breakage, whereas buttressing site is the site where the substrate attaches. I'll draw the diagram and explain, and then we'll write the important pointers. Suppose here we have this as an enzyme, and on this enzyme, this site is a catalytic site, and maybe this site is a buttressing site. I'll write here, this is a catalytic and this is buttressing site. Fine. And what do we have here? We have the substrate molecules here. According to the mechanism, the substrates are going to reach towards the buttressing site, this site, and will attach themselves here. So the only function of buttressing site is to provide site for attachment to the substrate. This is enzyme, this is substrate. Here the enzyme has attached to the substrate, and now as soon as the substrate attaches to the enzyme changes shape. The catalytic site is going to move towards the substrate. That means now the substrate is in close vicinity to the catalytic site also. This is the catalytic site. This is the catalytic site. So it moves towards the substrate, and as and when this catalytic site move towards the substrate, it forms a bond between them. Very, very important. Bond formation. Fine. A solid specific bond is formed, and as soon as the bond is formed, the enzyme regains its shape. The catalytic site will again go back. The substrate molecules, we will have the buttressing site here, we will have the catalytic site here, but what has happened? The substrate are released and now they have a bond in between them. So the substrate is released out and the enzyme also again regains its shape. Fine. So this is induced fit mechanism. Why is it called induced fit? Called induced fit because as soon as the substrate attach to buttressing site, it is triggered to form a bond by catalytic site. So the important thing which you need to learn here is that in induced fit mechanism there are two sites, catalytic and buttressing. The substrate will only attach to buttressing site, not to the catalytic site. As soon as the substrate is attached, the catalytic site will change its shape and come close to the substrate to form a bond, so that both the substrates form a bond. A bond is formed between the substrates. The enzyme regains its shape and releases the substrate to form the product. So this is how the induced fit mechanism it works. Fine. This is how the two sides of induced fit mechanism work. This is how the lock and key hypothesis work. So these are the two modes of enzyme action. In our next video, we'll talk about the chemical nature of enzymes and then the factors. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.